Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's good? Let me close this straw. So the reason why I'm talking really low is because it's literally, let me check, it's 11:16. The baby is asleep. We don't need no noise. This is like the only time that I pretty much have to film something like this. It's really like just quiet, peaceful, and I feel like we can talk, catch up, and so I could fill you into the loop of what has been happening in my life. And the reason why I went on a little hiatus as it relates to like making content where you guys could like see me, see my emotions, like just see me, interact with me. I would post sponsored content, and that's only because, you know, like I like doing hair. Doing hair is what makes me very calm, at peace. I find relaxation in doing my own hair or just doing wigs, period. So that's why I do sponsored content like that. But as it relates to like just picking up the camera, vlogging, taking videos, I love to do that. But when your mental health is at stake or is on the line being affected, I feel like, you know, you should take a step back from all of that. I took a break because of my mental health. So if you don't know what PPD is, postpartum depression, it pretty much happens when you have a kid, like after postpartum. And depression, of course, you know, from being sad and just being in a very low vibrational state. So I was going through it. I can't fully explain to you what it was, but my self-esteem was low. Like I felt like I was worthless, like I was useless, like what I was doing, like my duties as a mom was just like not good enough, or like me as a human, as a being, was just not good enough. And I felt like that for quite some time, and I eventually got over it. I wrote, if you guys want me to go more in depth on this particular topic, I can, but I don't think a lot of you guys have kids, so I feel like me talking about this like in one general video and making it like a big portion of the video is just like, sis, we can't relate. So anyways, so I'm not gonna waste your time speaking about this. Even though it is my platform, I just don't feel like, you know, like this video can be something within itself that I speak on. So if you are a mom and you've experienced that, let me know in the comments down below if you want a video so we could chat. And you know, like the moms will have their separate videos from, you know, or regular hotties, like we ain't got no kids from kids anyways. So I just had to pick myself up out of the slum of postpartum depression, and here I am, the bad I am today. No, it was really hard, but I got over it, or I got through it. And if you are going through it, you're not alone. Express and experience and live in your depression. It is okay to be sad, it's okay to be depressed. Don't dismiss your feelings because they are very much valid. Love you. So I just took a break, and I think because my man can't take pictures of me, and my sisters came, and my sister is a camera god, my Instagram was back up running hot and popping. So the reason why I wasn't really posting on Instagram like that is because my can't take no damn pictures. So when my little sister came for like 2 months, like I found the time to get out of like how depressed I was or how sad I was feeling, to dress up and be a bad bitch and play Barbie. Like, hello. So I was taking pictures and I was just like feeling really happy, and I was very happy to be in their company. They got to see their nephew, because I have 2 little sisters, and like it was just a good time. So when they were gone, I was a bit down again, but then I'm slowly getting back into working and just not really focusing on being a mom 24/7, but just being a woman, getting back to being me, Danielle, like doing hair, finding time to just get back into my job, get back into my work, like, you know, being on my grown woman-ish. On top of being depressed, I was not motivated to do shit. So my way to get out of that is to just write shit down. Write everything down that you want to do for the day and just take it off. Whenever I take shit off of lists, I feel accomplished as hell. Okay, so I would just write stuff down, write down anything. Like, say for instance it's a simple day, I really don't have nothing to do. Write down go to the grocery store, or write down brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, clean this, do that. And then just taking off just little simple things just made me feel like, oh my god, I could do so much more, until I gradually, you know, tricked my mind back into working and just doing what I do, making money. And that, I feel like writing on a whole really helps with getting out of your slums and getting out of like bad moods. Like, write that shit down, sweetie. This year we decided, me and my partner, that we were gonna move, and we're relocating. So we don't, well, by the time you guys see this, or like you guys will probably see this week, it's just Tuesday going into Wednesday. I feel like I want to post this one first. I don't know, but we went down to where we want to move in, further down south in Florida, and looked at apartments. And like by the time we reached the second one, we knew that was the one we wanted. So surprise, I'm moving, and I'm so happy because it's not a college town, and you know, like I'll actually have real customers, real clientele. I feel like I want to get back into like doing actual hair, because I love that. I love making women feel beautiful. I love blessing a lace child. Like, I love it. I love doing hair, and I just feel like I need to hurry up and get back into doing hair, because I'm so happy when I do hair. I feel like I'm my best self when I'm doing hair. It doesn't matter if it's my hair or anybody else's hair. Like, I just need to get in someone's head, okay? When I went to New York the other day, and that vlog is coming soon, it might be up before this or after this, I did my cousin's hairs. I put on my friend's wig that I sold her. Like, I was just so happy doing hair. Like, I feel like I just want to get back into just making women feel pretty. I love doing that, and this move is just like so beneficial to me doing hair on a whole, and I'm just so happy. Like, I am at a point in life right now where my main focus is just to be content with life, to be content with everything, like just to be okay. Like, I don't strive for being the happiest girl in the world. Like, it's neither here nor there. As long as I'm alright, as long as I'm okay, then that's fine enough by me. I definitely am taking time to prioritize me, because I deserve it. Like, not because you're a mom mean that, you know, you're not supposed to be a hot girl. Child, you could be a hot mom. Okay, so I'm really just like trying to get back into me, trying to be Danielle again. Like, I'm tired of this mom shit. Like, he about to be one. He gotta go. He gotta get his bags, get up out of this house. No, I'm just kidding. I'm so excited to move. Like, this place is huge. I am so here for this move. Like, by the time you see this, we got our welcome letter, and because we're not like really close by, it's like a 5-hour drive. Chat, I can't like up and show you guys, but I did take a video when we went down to see it, and I'm probably gonna insert it somewhere in this video so you guys could see like the empty apartment tour. So this is the tour, and when you come in, there is a washer and dryer. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand, but I was for the friends to take off with me load. One time did sit up in a class and report, then only set the road and be one with the road. I feel like it's a lot going on in my life right now, and it's about to be Christmas, and I did a bit of vlogmas last year. I want to get back into doing vlogs or just vlogmas. I feel like that was just such a fun time for me, just going out and doing stuff and enjoying my own company. So I feel like definitely I want to do that again. I'm so here for doing that again. I am very proud of myself from where I'm coming from over the course of a few months, where in the beginning of the year I was super productive, and in the middle of the year I was just like depressed, and now I'm back up. City girls up 100. Okay. So that was pretty much it. I don't feel like I need to sit down here and preach my life story, because, you know, like, y'all wasn't really there, so I'm just giving y'all a little synopsis, like a little something, very much something, because I am gonna get back into doing my content, get back on my shit. I need an iPad so I can get my life together. Okay, I see iPad mini $4.99, but I'm about the iPad expensive, $5.99 for iPad Air. I think I should get a mini. Oh, they have different colors. This is so cute. Starlight, purple. I should probably not be doing this right now. No, for real, I'm deadass gonna just be on my content shit, because you guys deserve it. I feel like a lot of people, like, I feel like subscribing is like an investment. A lot of people, even though it's just such a simple thing to do, I mean, you took the time out to subscribe, so I feel like the least I can do is just put out like something substantial, and, you know, be of use to the YouTube community, especially like the minority community, the Caribbean community. Like, I feel like my journey is nowhere near like started for real. I feel like I just have the potential to be something great, like a great woman. My camera, yeah, someone who can help, someone who can listen, someone who could be of use and, you know, inspire, and my content can somewhat provide comfort and resonate with people, young girls my age, you know, who go through the same stuff that I do. So I think I need to stop going on these hiatuses unless it's like really serious, and just work, put in the work, put out the content, and be my best self. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really feel like I want to put this out like ASAP, so if you guys see this, then that means I did put the content out, because I'm just letting you guys know it's just so much in store. I just want to record my life. I want to put it out there. I'm tired of, you know, just not picking up my camera when I can and doing it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye babes.